Sometimes people are too poor to buy what he wants.
Can I open it?
Mm-hmm. See, sometimes you gotta get some shoes. Sometimes you get a card that says maybe next year. Does it say maybe next year?
Yeah.
Let me see the card I gave you.
Alright, go ahead. No, wait, I'm videoing this. Go on. Sometimes you get something you can't open.
Oh my god! It's like 20 pounds of paper.
What's that?
An iPod Touch!
Maybe it might be a pretend
Take it
one.
back.
Might be a pretend one for little kids. Does it look real?
It's real.